On this slide, instead of turning and talking with a buddy, today we are going to write the answers to these prompts in our reading composition notebook. It does not have to be long. You can write 1 to 2 sentences to answer each question. And then after you're done answering these questions, you're going to take a picture of it and upload it, attach it to this assignment. Okay? Number 1 says, how would you describe Sonia's early life? Number 2, do you have any connections to her life? Number 3, why do you think Sonia became a lawyer? Number 4, what do you think we should remember about Sonia Sotomayor? And number 5, what lesson can we learn from her amazing life? Again, you're going to answer these questions in your reading composition notebook, and then you are going to take a picture of it and attach it to this assignment.